Hello, my amazing artists. Welcome back to art. We are going to be creating an amazing 3D castle today. Check this out. Using things that you have around the house, like boxes or recycled objects. And so here is my castle. You can see inside I also created a knight. And then there's a dragon spitting fire. Pretty cool. Now this is actually just one box that I used. It's a cereal box. You could use a smaller box or a larger box. You could add things onto it. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this. So, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. All right, so what will you need to do this fantastic project? You're gonna need some kind of a box. It could be large, it could be small, whatever you have. I saved a couple of boxes. You could even, if you have two smaller boxes like this, you could put them together to create a larger box. You're gonna need some tape. So I've got some tape over here. My little record player is my tape. And if you wanna make towers or something, paper tubes are really great for that. I found 2 of them, so I could tape them together and make like a tall tower next to my castle, which would be cool. What else did I find that I saved? Oh, I saved an egg carton because I thought, hey, I could probably cut this off and use it somehow. So I saved that. All right. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to take your box and cut it so that you can open it like this, because we're going to draw on the inside of the box where there's no writing. All right, so I already opened up this box. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna cut off these bottom edges here because that will help my castle to stand. And I don't really need it, so. Okay, so now I just have a straight line going across. And I'm gonna move these over to the side. All right, now, when we're done, we're gonna be folding the box back the other way so that the words are on the inside. And I actually really like this kind of window thing. I think I could use that as my door. All right, so for these parts up here at the top, this part of the box, we're gonna create the battlements of the castle. So those are the part that kind of looks like a stair step. There's just little parts coming out of it. And the soldiers would hide behind these so that they could shoot arrows out from behind the battlements. I think I'll leave, that one's pretty small. I think I'll just leave that one the way it is. The nice thing about using this cardboard is that it's really easy to cut, which is great. Okay. Starting to look like a castle now, right? All right, so those are my battlements. Now I kind of have a door already. I think I'm gonna use this as my door. I'm gonna add some windows, some stones. So let's see what I can do. I'm gonna use a Sharpie marker so you guys can see better. But you use whatever you have available. You could use crayons. You could use, I actually used colored pencils on mine. I used markers and colored pencils. So on the towers of castles, they often have these little windows that look like slits. They're really long and narrow. And those are so that they could shoot arrows out from the windows. But no one could climb up. Okay, so I got some windows. My windows are kind of high, so nobody can get in the castle. Think about things you might want to add to your castle. Maybe you want to do some people out here on the outside. There's so many things you could do. Okay, so I have my basic windows. Now I'm going to use a gray Sharpie to make some stones. Oh, you know what? First, I'm going to do this for my door. There we go. So if you want your castle to have stones on it, most castles were made of stone because they were built hundreds of years ago. I'm just doing organic shapes. Remember, those are the shapes that don't really have a name. They're just kind of weird shapes. I'm just filling it in with the organic shapes. Trying to make them all look kind of different. And then I'll do the same thing on each, whoop, it doesn't want to show up on the plastic. I might have to do that with black. I'm gonna do the same thing on each side of my castle with these organic shapes. And maybe you decide your castle is not made out of stone. Maybe you decide it's made out of wood or some other material. Well then show us that. I want to see some amazing creative castles. Alright, so I finished my rock design, my stones with the organic shapes, and now I'm just going to start to add some color. I chose to use gray because I wanted the gray to look like the stones, but you could make your castle any color, couldn't you? You could make it a rainbow castle. I'm just going for a more realistic castle. So I'm using colored pencils. You could use crayons, you could use markers, whatever you want to use. Now let's pretend I finished coloring my stones on my castle. Now I also actually want to color in my little windows because I think it'll look more realistic. So I could use black, right? What if I used yellow? It would look like there was a light coming from inside the window, right? So you could also use yellow. Now, if you want to be able to see through your windows, like I can see through my door here, but maybe I also want to see through my windows, well, I'll have to cut those out, won't I? Now, you need to ask your parents for help for this part because it's cardboard, so it's a little bit more difficult. So I have some sharp scissors and I'm just going to stick those scissors carefully through, and then I'm gonna cut around. So there's one window, and here's the other window. Now this front is a great part so that I can make some sort of a little scene inside the castle and you can look through the little windows to see the scene. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you got to open this back up to the back and you're going to get a piece of white paper to go right here. Alright, so I cut a piece of paper that would fit, be about the right size to go right there, and I'm going to glue it on there. But before I glue it on, I want to draw something on there so that it looks like a little scene inside the castle. Maybe you decide to do, maybe there's a room inside the castle, or maybe there's a princess and a king, or you know, you can do all sorts of things. Let's see, what am I going to do? I did a dragon on my other one, didn't I? I'm going to do an inside scene. So I'm going to draw a big fireplace. Did you know that they used fireplaces hundreds of years ago? They didn't have heat or electricity. So having fires in the house was one way that they could see. And they could also get warm. There's my fire. Need some logs, huh? Keep the fire going. There's a log. Okay, so there's a fireplace. Maybe there's a big painting. Because this is a castle, right? It's fancy. Fancy gold frame. What should the picture be? Maybe a forest? Not sure what kind of pictures they had in castles. Now, once I have my little scene drawn, I'm gonna use something to color it, right? I've been using colored pencils. You could use markers, whatever you want. All right, let's pretend this whole thing was colored. I finished the room. So now I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna glue it onto the inside. Make sure you're putting it on the right side. Remember, you wanna be able to look through those little windows. If you're not sure, just fold it up and look and see. Can I see the room? Oh, I can. Okay, I know I've got it in the right place. All right, glue. Thank you. Okay. There's my little room. So now I'm ready to tape this back together. I'm gonna put that little tab on the inside. Need a couple pieces of tape. You can use glue too, or whatever you have laying around. Put some tape across, line my box up so that it's correct. Line it up like that. Look at that. You got your little castle. You can look through the window and you can see the fireplace. Nice. Now this would be a great time to start adding things onto my castle on the outside as well, right? Like a tower. Could add a tower onto it. I just need a little bit of tape to tape that on. Or glue. Glue would work too. I could add some decorations on the outside of my towers. Yeah, so I want you guys to use your imagination to create an amazing castle. Are you ready to get started? All right, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.